What's up guys, welcome back to the brand new episode of Idiots in Cars. This is episode number 159 and today we're gonna be watching some people who absolutely have no clue how they got their driving license and what they're doing behind the wheel. So with that being said, let's just dive into this. And as you can see, we are off to a great start. We are in a lovely neighborhood full of good drivers who are definitely not gonna run away from you in case of a little accident. You can already tell what is going to happen here. No brake! Ooh, that is an unmistakable sound of an approaching love tap. Is that it? This went much better than I thought. Oh, here we have another angle. Ooh! That was close. They were extremely lucky there. Oh, he even had the audacity to honk back. And judging by his actions, he probably thinks that his truck is green as well. Hey bro, do you have any brighter lights maybe? Those are not headlights, bro, turned on a sun. Whoa! That was a pole position. Ništa gore nego kad kupe jeftine letjelice kod Kineza. Oh, the CEO of a no blinker club is approaching, aka the BMW club. Oh, this is interesting, let's take a look. This car can smell people who are not subscribed yet, so better be careful. Come on bro, can you get any closer? I mean, you're causing a traffic jam back there. You're so far away. Oh, our boy ka-chowed way too hard. And off he goes. Brilliant stuff right there. No, don't pull out, don't. Oh my god, are you serious? And now the driver of that black car is probably like, why is that guy behind honking? What's wrong with him? People are so clueless these days. No bro, don't do it. Don't. Back off, abort mission. Ooh. Bro licked the stamp and sent him right into a ditch. The dashcam guy was like, you wanna get pit maneuvered? Okay, go right ahead. Brake. Ooh. Even the tree got love tapped.
What happened?
I don't need parking sensors. I'm a real man. Okay, maybe I need a couple of them. Bro got a pole position in reverse. Nice. Now we are back in Winter Wonderland. Power! Do you see yellow snow, guys? Because I think 2 drops of pee came out right there. The snow was the problem and the solution at the same time. And the only problem I see here is that dingleberry who turned left. Oh, hello there, officer. Nothing to see here. Oh, thank you. I'm going straight. You have to move out of the way, kinda. Oof. That guy just rammed into a G-Wagon which runs on liquid arrogance. And you know how much liquid arrogance is flammable. Anyways, we are moving on. Now, quiet everybody, we don't want to scare that wild dingleberry in his natural habitat.
Oh my god, look at this guy.
Just take your time, you'll figure it out. Eventually. Oh, that front right tire was like, I don't like this air in me anymore. I'ma head out. Do you guys like to enter the highway like you're in a NASCAR? I sometimes do that. Obviously not like this guy. I do it like it should be done. Oh, we have 2 Mustangs looking for some crowds, and this guy's like, booyah, nope, you're not doing that today. But jokes aside now, what the hell was that all about? I know that Mustang pulled a little late move, but still, at least you can try to avoid someone. Ah, we are back into Winter Wonderland. I see that the outside temps are still bigger than this guy IQ. Anyways, we are moving on. Hold it bro, hang in there, hold it, and that was an epic circle and a half, so it's a nice 540, yeah. Oh, this almost turned into a pancake fest, but it's all good, everybody's fine. And now from a dash cam we are going straight to the CCTV, and what a show it is. Let's take a look from another angle now. Ooh, what a dingleberry. Oh, that little poor smart started crying. They hit me. Ooh. Now the dashcam guy made a little mistake. Well, it could have been a much bigger mistake, but luckily the Audi guy was laser focused on the road. In 50 meters, turn right. Turn right, you dingleberry. Bro took a little detour. Lucky for him, he was in a truck. Oh, what do we have here? Power in reverse! Ooh.
I called it! Hell yeah!
Focus was definitely
oh
not
no.
focused. Or maybe
Wow,
that was an
that was-
insurance scam. Who
That
knows?
was something very special.
And now you're about to witness a guy whose genius knows no bounds. He's so smart that it's frightening. Look at that. This is what happens when we use 100% of our brains. Only his first move was questionable, but others is a pure genius. That was really amazing. He found the loophole. Oh, that dodge decided to let it slide. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Boys have to have a little bit of fun on ice and snow. No, that was too much power. It's so important to always have the right amount of speed and power. Our boy here hopefully learned a lesson. And also he tried this while nobody was there, so that's a plus. That's a good thing. And that right there was a nice 180. That guy was like, oh, I forgot to buy some milk. Let me turn around real quick. And what is going on here? Taking a little shortcut, I see. You cheeky little sausage. And now he's probably like, somebody had to do it. Somebody had to do it. I'm the chosen one. And of course, the rest of them are following the great example. Even the BMW is like, yeah, no, I'm good. That's too much. Even for me. Well, it is what it is sometimes. Oh, hold it, bro. Who put this stupid banana peel here? It's not funny. Oh, look at them. They're twins. Oops. And of course, one is always a little slower than the other. Always. No, I'm just kidding. Let's move on. And here goes another one straight into a ditch. Rumor has it that he slipped on the same banana peel as the other guy from earlier. We now need that most wanted banana peel poster. And you may kiss the bride. And they lived happily ever after. Oh, there's a Mustang, so be careful. Whack! That Mustang was a decoy, so the Van of Doom can attack. I'm not an expert, but I think this is way too fast for the conditions. Oh, looks like the other guy made the same mistake. That actually ended up really well, when you consider how fast they were going, of course. Ooh, he came in like a steam train. You gotta be really careful when driving on snow and ice, especially if you're a new driver. Oh, look at that little race Matisse go! And booyah! Straight into a BMW. How do you like them apples? And now, jokes aside, BMWs are doing some questionable things, but... That was the pole position, by the way. But those little micro cars are capable, I mean, the driver of those micro cars, of course, they're capable of doing unimaginable things. Please let me know in the comments if you noticed that too, like 98% of them are pulling those stupid stunts on the road. And it's ridiculous, really. And here we have a Tesla, I assume. And one caddy deploying some power, and straight into the Tesla he goes. I think he only wanted to show Tesla who's the boss, why the V8 is much better than EV. But he got carried away a little bit. And now he's gone. Oh, thank you very much, white truck. That was appreciated. Good thing you were here, because otherwise we wouldn't be able to see all that stuff that happened. Whoa, that guy was like, yeet! Bro lost the front suspension and 2 tires, and he was like, yeah, totally worth it. And I'll do it again. And I'm sure he will, because he did it once, he will do it twice. Ooh, that's a 3 position. And on that note, guys, it's time to wrap up this video. Thank you very much for watching and for the support, of course. I really appreciate it. And I hope you enjoyed in today's video. And if you did, please smack that like button, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, I'm working on some special episodes. I need some more time, but they're coming very soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to power every day, and I will see you in the next one. Take care. Ciao, ciao.